In this video, we drop some RC cars and film it in slow motion to see what happens when they crash. Want to make some extra cash so you can buy more toys, quit your job, go on more holidays, or maybe build a monster truck? I've got you covered. Check out my course in the description and I'll show you how to make 100k profit a year. Guys, in this video we're going to get some of my RC cars and drop them off the roof, record the landing in slow motion. So what I'm going to do, go up there, take the RC car as high as I can get it, drop it down there, put some cameras on the bottom for slow-mo, and then we can see how the good RC cars flex and absorb the impact. Yeah, this could get expensive. Like and subscribe. Alright, so here's the cars that we're going to drop. Alright, so I'm up here, Stem's down there. Start off with a cheap one, the WL Toys A95, no it ain't, the WL Toys, I forgot the name, but anyway, this one's going to go for it.
Will it survive, yes or no?
Yeah, could note in the comments, will it survive? Oh, they took it! Alright, so we're going to do that one again, but this time with a dirty hand. Alright, so next we're going to drop it on its butt. Alright, slash time. Oh, that sounded bad.
Do on that knackered bearing, bro.
We got a broken bearing here. Stems wants to see it land on that. Alright, here we go.
I want to see it finished off.
Oh! We're getting more expensive, guys. Like and subscribe. We got the Traxxas Rustler. Flat landing. Go over a nosedive this time. Oh. Alright, so next we're going to go for the Hobo Hyper VS. Flat landing first. Alright, I reckon this one we're going to land it on the wing. What do you reckon, like that?
Yeah.
It took it! Jem's only come to see the Carnage, and next we're doing the Traxxas.
Oh no, you broke it!
Have I?
Yeah.
Where?
Shot's knackered.
Where?
No.
Oh. Alright, so next we're doing the Traxxas TRX4. This one we're just going to do a flat landing, because these things are not meant to be jumped anyway. It took it! It took it! Alright, next!
Oh, don't you want to do a dirty one?
Oh, it's broken!
What?
Look, it's all hanging out the bottom of the axle.
Oh yeah, that's snapped.
Oh no, show them the camera.
Oh, that's a goner.
Right, next, the E-Revo 2.0.
On the corner.
Oh.
Front corner. Steering linkage.
Where? It snapped?
Yeah.
Oh, show them on the camera. Alright, now we're going for the king, the X-maxx. This is my favourite ever RC car, and I'm pretty sure it's going to take it. This thing can take some amazing hits. Alright, here we go. Right, let's go for a dirty landing. Should we go for a rear corner? Yeah. All right, we're going to go for the rear corner. Oh dear. Here we go, ready?
Oh! That's popped!
There you have it, guys, done a wishbone. Oh, let's have a quick inspection of the damage. So the rustler, yeah, everything looks all right on this one. This one I'm surprised about. This is the cheapest one, and it just took it, guys. So I'm going to put a link to all these products down below, guys. Next, the Slash 4x4. Now, this was already broken before. This was from the last bash session where we broke that, so that doesn't really count. So that actually took it really well. Next, a Hobeo Hyper VS. Surprised the wing actually took it. I did pop a shock off of here, which is weird because I don't think it really hit it. We'll see that on the footage. Next, the Traxxas TRX4. Oh, yeah, broke a link off the axle housing. But it's kind of to be expected because these are not bashers. But this is actually one of the toughest crawlers you can possibly get. I mean, these things are not meant to be jumped, and it just really takes it. And that's just a really cheap part, really easy to fix. So next, we got the E-Revo 2.0 and broke a link. And that's actually been on there for a while, so that's kind of not bad going. I'm not going to really say anything bad about that. That took it really well. X-maxx. That sounded bad when it landed. Ah, yeah, arm's broken, look. Very easy fix, very cheap fix. And I think, actually, I normally do the WD-40 treatment. I'm going to put a link to that video up here somewhere where you can have a look at that. And this is actually a new arm that I replaced and didn't do that treatment. And yeah, oh, yeah, I slaughtered. Yeah, look, smashed all the way through there, all through there. So that needs a new arm. So all in all, stupid video, but it's a little bit of fun. Hopefully the slow-mo footage came out pretty cool. So if you like this video, guys, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash the bell button. You know what you gotta do. Bye.